Hello students, hello everyone. Here we are with another important and interesting question from the chapter Trigonometry, which can be like question in your question paper in your upcoming board exams. And in a similar way, we had predicted some questions last year, which was repeated in your board exam. So please pay attention to these questions, because if you get these questions in your board exam, you can solve it easily. And look at this question. You cannot find these questions in your NCERT textbook. Either you can find this in R.D. Sharma, R.S. Agarwal and some of the science papers. So what have they asked? They have given us, if 7 sin square a plus 3 cos square a is equal to 4, then show that tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. And it is a 3-marker question. Now see children, whenever you get something like this, remember, we know, we have an identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, which all of you know. Here we have 7 sin square theta plus 3 cos square theta is equal to 4. Let's write it down. 7 sin square a plus 3 cos square a is equal to 4. So if I am splitting this, 7 sin square a can be written as 4 sin square a plus 3 sin square a, right? So I can write it as 4 sin square a plus 3 sin square a. Makes sense, children, because 7x can be easily written as 3x plus 4x. So we do the same thing here. Okay? Why did I do this? Because if I take this 3 common, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, right? So I can write 4 sin square a plus 3. So here what I do? I will take 3 common and write it as sin square a plus cos square a, which is nothing but 1. This value is 1, right? So we get, what do we get here? 4 sin square a plus 3 is equal to 4. Take this 3 to the other side, children. We get 4 sin square a is equal to 1. So if 4 sin square a is 1, what is sin square a, children? Tell me. Sin square a value will be 1 by 4. And what is sin a value? Whenever you are taking a root, it's plus or minus 1 by 2. But in your grade 10 syllabus, you are not studying about negative values. We are writing sin a here. Okay? Sin a is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. And we have studied about positive 1 by 2 because you have not studied about the angles when sin a is half, minus 3 by 4 and all those things. So let us consider sin a is equal to 1 by 2. So what value of a? Sin a is 1 by 2, children. We all know that a must be equal to 30 degree. Correct? If a is 30 degree, and here it must be tan a, children. Instead of that, it's given theta. It's 7 sin square a plus 3 cos square a is equal to 4. Then show that tan a is equal to 1 by root 3. So just make this changes here. It's tan a is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay. So this what we have here is tan a. Okay. And now if tan a is 30 degree, what is tan a, children? Tan a value will be tan 30, which is nothing but 1 by root 3. That's how we solve this question. Easy, a simple one, but a tricky question. And I'm expecting these kind of questions to repeat in your standard paper this year. So students who are preparing for your grade 10 board examination, please make a habit of practicing these questions, and at least every day 3 to 4 questions like this will make a lot of difference in your preparation. So keep watching our videos. We will be posting few of other important questions as well. So practice all these questions so that you can score full marks in the board exam.